Hey everybody, welcome back to another Slaburday Saturday. I'm Paul.
I'm James.
Today he's going solo. He's cutting up this huge cherry log. Actually, I'm gonna stick around. I want to see what's inside. I hope you stick around too. Let's get her cut. Moving that wedge over here, probably where my fork's going to come out.
That's pretty much it.
Probably a fence line tree. Yeah, it's a funny one, right? So we're gonna have to be able to cut it. So James is just ripping off some of the extra loose bark. There was a bit of mud and possibly some rocks, so we're cleaning that off. We're going to be cutting this at 3 inches thick, which is 12/4. And a lot of people don't know this, but you can't cut it at 3 inches because the wood's going to shrink as it dries. So we're actually going to be cutting it close to 3 1/4. That way, as it dries, it'll remain over 3 inches in thickness. Cherry usually cuts pretty nicely. It's a little bit softer than walnut. It smells nice.
Yeah.
Smells nice. As a woodworker, it works really nice. Table saw is nice, glue's nice, sand's very nice.
It doesn't really cut the twigs a lot, I don't think.
Fairly stable, that's correct. But it does burn. So if you're using a router bit on it, it'll burn very easily. But again, it's very easy to saw. So cherry has a unique property that the UV sunlight actually darkens it. So when we cut it now, it'll be really, really light colored pink, where it'll go like a dark orange, I guess, or whatever, over time. You'll go off to the next wall for it, basically. All right, let's see what's inside this cherry log. This is our first waste cut. We went a little heavy because there's a fence line in there. We were trying to avoid it. Also super weirdly shaped log, but we still hit the fence line. But anyways, let's check out the grain. We're gonna get this pushed off onto the forks. Yeah, good. Oh, perfecto. There we go, nice. seeing with bigger, heavy, like, you don't have to work too crazy hard. You went pretty fast on that cut.
Yeah.
And it's pretty flat. So here's the metal. You can see right here. So we got fence line. But you can clearly see it screws the setup. It's like a rougher cut. But I think we're still gonna go with this blade. We got metal down there, it looks like too, there's some black.
Yeah, there is. It's a pretty good sized piece. Yeah, it's a big one. It's only square now.
All right, let's cut another one. We'll see how the cut is.
There's
So
nothing in there.
if everything's okay. So we recently did add a little upgrade onto the sawmill. We added some brushes along the rail that the sawmill rides on. We've been getting sawmill building up on the wheels, and I've just been cleaning the wheels every now and again for the last year and a half. So thankfully, James took the initiative and we added some brushes on to clean off that sawdust. Hopefully that goes away. I think this is like where it's attached to the tree.
Fuck that.
One for the collection. Oh yeah. Another one. Yeah, so that's the one from over there, one from there. The metal staining actually, like, you know, adds that uniqueness to it.